1/4 cup of coconut oil melted. Add 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and this is the smoked paprika that I get at Trader Joe's, and then 1/4 a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm going to stir that around, and of course the heat of the coconut oil activates the spices, and then I'm going to add 1 head of cauliflower that I've broken up into bite-sized pieces, hence the popcorn, and of course I rinse this off. Do you really want to use the cauliflower florets for this? So as you can see, you just put that in your bowl and start mixing. I'll stir this around because you want every piece of cauliflower to be coated with that oil and spices. That's what's going to turn it into popcorn. And meanwhile, I've preheated the oven to 400 degrees. And as I stir around, and then I'm going to put it directly on this baking pan. And I'll actually get in there and mix it up a little bit more with my hands. And place it in your 400 degree oven for 30 minutes. I like to check on it periodically and stir the florets around just to prevent any burning. You do want these to brown up a little bit and have that popcorn color to them. So this is almost ready to go into my oven. The fun begins now. This is what your popcorn cauliflower is going to look like, and I'm going to show you how to make these quick little cones to serve the cauliflower in, especially if you are encouraging your children to eat a little bit more healthy. So as you can see, I just kind of tape this cone together, open it up a little bit, and then this is just brown wrapping paper. You can use any kind of paper that you have. And then I'm going to take a little bit of liner. You could use wax paper or parchment like this, and make an interior cone and stuff that down in. And then watch how cute. You just fill this up with your cauliflower popcorn, and I promise you your kids are gonna love it. And even adults, you want to do something fun. You're having a barbecue out back, and you want to just serve this in a unique way. What a fun thing to do, and it's so easy. And you can actually serve them upright in a glass like this, or laid out like I have on the cutting board. They're just precious, and it will encourage people that are vegetable shy to at least try them, because it certainly looks like popcorn. So there you go. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a wonderful week.